Good morning, this is Jonah Mart. Let's learn Ilonggo through our coastal cleanup activity here at Barangay Banago, organized by Sweet, and Anna is here to help. So let's learn the word for trash in Ilonggo and also Tagalog. It's called basura. Let's get to know the kind of trash as we experience it firsthand. We pick up the trash, and it's my first time to join, and I realized as I tried to pick up the most obvious trash, it's not easy to pick up. For example, this one. I tried to pick up this one, but it's so stuck in the sand. So it turns out that it's not that easy to pick up the trash because it's so down there. It's not humanly possible to just pick up trash around here. This basura or trash, for example, an old bag, it's very obvious. I can't get it out. It's stuck. I don't even know the Ilonggo word for stuck. There's a lot of trash, like this one also, but it's just stuck in there. Hindi makuha. Cannot get it easily. It takes some patience to get this thing off. Hindi makakas. Cannot be taken off. So, wow. So they say that the trash keeps coming back. They clean it up and then they come back. It's like the sea bringing back all the trash that's been thrown into it. So we have tires. I don't know if the dustpan is part of the trash, but everything's in the sack now. When?
Hi, miss.
Ano ang napudyutan mo? What have you picked up so far?
Lots of sachet of coffee.
Coffee sachets?
Yes, and candy wrappers.
Oh, candy wrappers. A lot of candy wrappers. May, what is that toy doing there? Ano na ang ahampanganan?
Plastic nga, no?
Plastic toy. Oh my gosh. So that big. And also this much already. And over there, they're still picking up some more trash. It's a good thing because the community is helping out. They're working together to pick up the trash. Hello. The rake is called kahig. And they're raking up the trash, which is composed of, wow, all sorts of plastics. So that is that bad. Oh, look at that. The water is so dirty to be wading in. And all these plastics, I'm so overwhelmed by the looks of it that I just feel so helpless. With all these plastics that the sea is spitting back to us. And all these plastics that are not decomposed, they just stay there, break down into tiny bits, and become smaller and smaller, and becomes what we call microplastics. And they're eaten by the fish, and they're mixed into the salt, and we eat them back. So that's how bad it is. I feel just so helpless. It feels like no matter how we clean it up, it's still there. It's still there. Thank you. So they're raking it up in a kahig. That's the kahig. It's really so bad. Hello, we are with Miss Ida Vecino of prrcfi, and are you also Sweet?
Yes.
And sige, what are the most common plastic waste or basura. Pwede gid mag-Ilonggo. Kaya this is an Ilonggo channel.
So, mga mams, mga besh, ang for me, di naman nakakitaan is mga sandubag, kag, bayo. So, amo ginaang gusto na mo masabat kung kaadam di bayo, kag, plastic bag.
Okay.
Damo man actually fresh, kag daan, kag diaper, kag napkin,
Okay.
tape,
Kaya pamalay because this is residential.
pero amo ginaang,
Tons and tons of clothes and sandbags.
yes.
Meaning for commercial purposes nga magbaligya nga ginaputos sa sandbag.
Either sa grocery or sa pagbaka nila sa karinderya.
So, what do you think I had should be done? Because I'm really overwhelmed by the sheer number of
Matambling.
the mahibi ka, no? So, I'm really overwhelmed by what I saw in
Amat-amat nga
Is it from the consumer's end or the corporate responsibility? Is it a corporate
sa
responsibility?
subong ang corporate good life pag ginaguro natin malabot di as a consumer bilang aware naman hindi pa man gintanan pero at least mayara na aware so sa mga kutob sa mga aware try tagid bawasan ang paggamit ng kaisa talang magamit or kung sa ano naman yung sa bayo di halungan taman kay gimbakal ta na tapos pwede tagid siya maliwat gamit liwat gamit.
Oo, no? We even have ukay-ukay. So it's all reused na nga mga clothes. But still, they throw it away. Clothes. Ukay-ukay. Grabe. And they end up here. Kasad, di yan. Question mark. So, mga, sa target, sa goal naton, mga pila pa lang ay kita pa percent sa effort naton.
Sa madugdaman ko sa mga ginapang-ubra naman nga report, do 3% lang ang naubra ang natipon sa sweep. At least ako sa clean up na mo last year.
Okay.
3% pa lang
Of,
sa mga
of what is
sa
out
mga
there.
na-report. Oo.
Isa na lang.
Oh my
In
goodness.
terms of kabugaton. So metric
It's a
ton.
lot of work. Ideya, as in damo. So this is just 3%. And then ako na-contribute ko diguro. For this 3%, it's 3% of 3%. Okay? Pag wala ko nagabot.
0.0000.
Oo, that. Ang microplastic, so I notice itong mga, hindi bilang mga gagmay bits.
na mga plastic bag.
Oo, mga napudpod. And then they keep breaking down and down, smaller and smaller
Abi mo
bits.
dosisyan na sila.
So
So
that
hindi mo na lang sa pupuluton kaya abi mo
Oo,
burn na siya
oo.
sa
Or daw hindi mo na mapulutan kay daw ka Lumaamo ka na lang.
Pati balas mo. Hindi ka sure kung balas ang plastic.
Because it mixes na with everything. At least we're doing 3%. Amo na lang na. So, let's look at the positive side, which is 3%. Hugot nga pagtuo. Thank you, Ida. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with us, kag everybody else. Nantawa ba lang that? That's a lot of people helping out.
Happy World Oceans Day!
Oh, Happy World Oceans Day! Yay! It's today, usually. So even if I just sit here and fiddle with the sand, I can find a lot of little bits and pieces of plastic that have broken down. And I'm sure from this stage, they keep breaking down into the tiniest bits that we couldn't see, and they get into our food, our fish, our salt. Hello guys, oh picture. Hello Ramon, hello July, hello Tibor, Zek, everybody, and Charlie. Hindi niya picture ya. This is a video. Say hi, Kipto. Bisan mo po ko na lang ko di. I can just sit here all day and pick up micro trash.
Makahalalit.
Istorya sa ako
butang
niya.
Ha, do kadalom na sila.
Para ma-absorb.
Na iyaman. Skin gidyo ho. I can just sit here all day.
dismiss kay grabe ka alam sa bata.
Exempted.
Perfect.
It's just so overwhelming. I can just sit here. I don't have to go far. Hindi na ako magpalayo. It's just a lot of plastic. So we're moving all the trash and putting them in one place upshore because the tide is rising. Gataob na. Taob. High tide is coming. The opposite of taob is hunas. But now the water is rising, so we have to pull up the trash upshore. So the tide is really rising and fast. So we have to pull this up. Ada na! Ang dahan tubig. As in. Okay. Wala na, wow. So Ramon pulling up the sack of trash. I can hear the tide already. The sea's fury. Whoa. And it's not very clean. So we can see the sea spitting out all the trash back into the shore. So we can see the sea spitting up the trash back into shore. It's just so overwhelming. What is that, Debbie? Oh my gosh. So, look, we just cleaned up the shore and they're all back again. Oh my gosh. Oh, ginabalik. Wow, shoot, look at that, all the trash. So everybody here, they picked up all the trash and then they're back again. It's like the sea bringing them back to us. And it's just a lot. They keep coming back. Ramon, wala ka nag-gloves. Oh my goodness. Wala na.
Field?
Describe. So you grew up here?
My father.
So
It
you
wasn't
spent
me.
your childhood here also?
Some of my days when I was a child.
Okay, so what did it look like?
It was
Before.
good before. It was really good for the kids to swim into
So it was
the water.
clean.
It was considered clean because there were few houses built near the shoreline, but now there were lots of houses built.
And everybody's
Actually,
throwing
yeah,
their trash
true.
out into the sea.
Especially their wastes are actually thrown directly to the sea. So this happens.
Alright, okay. Thank you, Zek. Okay. So they're not using gloves anymore because of just the sheer volume of trash that keeps coming back. Look
More
at that.
fish.
More fish, not plastic.
Nami gid kay nabuhi na ng basura di sa aton sa punta tayo sa Banago. Kag That's all.
Okay, thank you, Julio. More fish, not plastic! Kulang pa mahaw.